For users who want an easier way to set up, work with, and review stereo or multi-camera setups typically found in feature film and VR, we have implemented timeline multi-view support for Hiero, Hiero Player, and Nuke Studio. To set up a multi-view project, simply go to the project settings and set the project to stereo mode and add the number of views you need. This can be done per project, or if you want to set default behaviors, there are new preference options under the Views Preferences menu for those who want to set their projects to load in stereo by default. You can now utilize the same multi-file workflows that exist in Nuke on the timeline with support for the %V token on import. This makes it easy to import footage and either manually set up multiple views or have it done automatically using the new Detect Views option in the import menu. Once you have imported your footage, you can easily assign multi-view files to a single track, or quickly split each view to its own track using the Split Views to Tracks feature. The nice thing about using the Split Tracks feature is that you can split to all views you have set up in a project, not just the views on that specific clip, giving you greater flexibility and control. If you've been making edits to the footage on the timeline using soft effects, then you can either choose to apply a single soft effect to a multi-view clip and then split the knobs in the properties to adjust each view independently, or you can split tracks and apply individual soft effects to each track. The nice thing here is that if you've already created a soft effect with split knobs on a single multi-view clip, when you split tracks, it copies and adds soft effects to the appropriate track, all with the correct knob values. The timeline multi-view feature is also great for VR work, as you can bring in all your cameras and start setting them up on the timeline with their appropriate view names. From here you can utilize the create comp functionality to easily bring all the cameras into a Nuke script and have them be automatically set up and connected using the join views node. If you have added any soft effects or utilized the blend tracks feature to create quick comp changes on the timeline, then these modifications can also be easily brought into the Nuke script at the same time. Full resolution stereo is also now supported on Monitor Out with Archer and Blackmagic cards, making it even easier to perform review sessions of your stereo projects. We've also included a new export preset to make rendering sequences with multiple cameras easier. Simply set up your project as a stereo project, and the preset is shown as one of the defaults when you go to export.